Dear students, how are you? Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. This is teacher Ali. My dear, today we are going to learn law of cosine. And last time I taught you law of sine law. Today we will learn law of cosine, or simply you can say cosine law. My dear, cosine law we also use to solve the triangle. Okay, this law used for the triangle which is not a right angle triangle. Okay, my dear, so for by using this law we can find the length, the sides or the angle. So let's start learning. First you need to understand the triangle. Let's see here. I will draw a triangle. I will explain you. As I told you before, in by teaching sine law, angle A, the opposite side of angle A will be side A. Angle B, opposite side will be B. Angle C, opposite side will be C side. Clear, my dear? Sometime it is written alpha at the place of a side A, beta opposite side B, gamma opposite side C. Whatever, you should understand. So what is cosine law? Cosine law is, for example, if it is a square, it will be equal. If we will write here a, what is the remaining sides? Remaining sides are B and C. So we will write B square plus C square minus 2, same these sides, BC minus 2 BC cos, and this one cos A. Clear, my dear? This is the first formula for cosine law. If we need to find B, so we will write at the place of B square, and what other two sides remaining we will write here, A square plus C square minus 2AC cos this one B, opposite angle capital B, or beta. Sometimes it is written beta. So if side C, we have to find C square equal A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C, capital C, or gamma. This is the thing, my dear. You have to find C. Sometimes all sides are given, we have to find the angle. Sometimes sides are given, we have to find the angle. Sometimes one angle given, two sides given, we will find the third side. So different type of questions can come, but you need to understand. You need to understand the triangle first of all. If you understand the triangle, you will be able to apply the law of sine or law of cosine, anyone. So my dear, in law of cosine I will explain you by using one example. Okay, my dear? Hello, my dear. Let's see the example. In the given example, there is a triangle and three sides are given. Side A, that is equal 100 centimeter, side B equal 125 centimeter, side C equal 80 centimeter. Okay, my dear, we have to solve this triangle. So what is unknown? Angles are unknown. So my dear, three angles are unknown, so you can find any angle first. Which angle you want to find, you can find by using these equations. Using sine cosine law. So I will use the first one. What is the first one? The first one is a square equal b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. By using this one I can find angle A. So let me adjust or rearrange the equation. For rearranging equation I will take this one 2bc cos A there, and this one I will bring here. It will be 2bc cos A, cos A. Okay, so 2bc I will take there. So here remaining cos A equal b square plus q square minus a square over 2bc. Okay my dear, this is the equation after rearranging. So now we will put the values and we will find. So cos A, we don't know the value of A. What is B? The value of B 125 square plus value of C 80 square minus value of A 100 square over 2. Value of B 125, value of C is 80. Okay my dear, so we will solve it by using calculator. Let me solve. My dear, after calculation I got the value 0.601, that is equal cos A. We want to find the value of A, angle A. So cos is with A. When cos will go there, other side, it will change into cos inverse. So angle A equal cos inverse 0.601. Clear my dear? So what is, by using scientific calculator we will find the value cos inverse 0.601. It is equal 53. Angle A we found, that is 53. Clear my dear? Now we will find angle B by using cosine law. Let's see. I'm going to write first cosine law, that is b square equal a square plus c square minus 2ac cos b. We will rearrange as I rearranged before. Cos b equal a square plus c square minus b square over 2ac. Clear? Now we will put the values of A, B and C. So cos B equal, what is the value of A? 100 square plus what is the value of C? 80 square. What is the value of B? That is 125 square divided by 2. What is the value of A? 100. What is the value of C? 80. Clear my dear? So now we will calculate by using scientific calculator. Let me calculate. Yes my dear, I calculated. It is equal 0.048. It is equal cos B. We want to find the value of angle B. So cos is with B. When cos will go to other side, cos will change into cos inverse 0.048. Clear my dear? So angle B, by using scientific calculator we will find the value of cos inverse. So I calculated by using calculator, it is 87. Clear my dear? So the angle B is 87. So what is angle C? You know, if we know the two angles of a triangle, we can find the third angle, because we know No, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180. Clear? So what is angle A? What is angle A? That is 53 plus what is angle B? We found now it is 87. What is angle C? We don't know. We will calculate now. So 87 plus 53, it is 140 plus angle C equal 180. Okay my dear. So 140 is plus, I will take to other side, plus will change into minus. 180 minus 140, so it is equal 40 degree. This is our angle C. Understand my dear? This is cosine law. If three sides are given, we can find the three angles. If three angles are given or sides are given, we will check which rule is applicable, sine rule or cosine rule. Then by using this law we can solve the triangles. Understand my dear? Hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. Ma'assalam.